Locked out of QuickBooks Online? Login problems are frustrating but usually easy to fix. Let's walk through the most common solutions to get you back in your books fast. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. First, always start with the "Forgot Password" link. Use the email associated with your Intuit account to reset it. If that doesn't work, you might be using the wrong email. Try every address you own. If you're sure your credentials are correct, the issue might be your browser. Clear your cache and cookies, or try switching to a different browser like Chrome or Firefox. Sometimes, simply closing and reopening the browser does the trick. My crucial pro tip: check if you're an admin. If you're trying to log into a company file someone else owns, you need them to send you a proper invite as a user email. Logging in with your own Intuit ID to a file you haven't been granted access to will never work. Regain access quickly and minimize the disruption to your workflow. What's your go-to fix when a website login fails? Browser refresh or password reset. For more simple tech solutions, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.